Hey guys, this is Adrika Badoria from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So guys, from today I'll teach you about PDF accessibility. So what is accessibility? Accessibility is making something to be able to used, entered, reached and easy to approach. It is used to make something suitable for disabled people. We see many applications of accessibility in our daily life. There are ramps that help people to move easily from one place to another. We also see curb ramps around all over the world which help people to easily move on them. We also see braille buttons in lift areas and restroom areas which help visually impaired people know their way by touching them. There's another application of accessibility in Indian rupee notes. There are different lines and dots on the edges of the notes which help the visually impaired people to know which note they are holding. These are some of the basic applications of accessibility in our daily life. Now let us know about accessibility standards. So what are accessibility standards? Accessibility standards give us a target and ensure everyone is trying to achieve the same goal. Without standards, everyone will be doing the thing they want in their own way. So in this course, we'll be discussing about current standards that apply to accessible PDF format. So the first standard is WCAG. It stands for Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, produced by World Wide Web Consortium and is widely recognized standard for PDF. It contains of 100 different success criteria required for PDF accessibility. Another one is PDF UA, that stands for Universal Accessibility. It's an ISO standard that defines how accessible PDFs should be structured. Also, several laws such as Section 508 in US, AODA in Canada, EN 301549 in Europe and DDA in Australia have made it a law that electronic documents needs to be accessible. So now, how do we actually know that a PDF is accessible or not? There's a certain tag tree in every document through which we need to walk and ensure that the content is tagged correctly and in correct order. So for that, right click on this pane and click on tags. And here you can see all the tags present in this document. So now to check whether our PDF is accessible or not, click on the tools and here you can see accessibility option and now click on add and here you can see the shortcut has been added to our pane. Now let's move to the document and click on this option. Here click on full check and let the settings be as it is and click on start checking. So here you can see the results and if we click on the tags here you can see the content and the errors here, right? So now as you can see there are some errors also in this document. So how to solve these errors, that I'll teach you in my upcoming videos. Now here you can see that there are these two errors as well and it is written that needs manual check. So these errors you need to check by yourself manually. Okay. So now there are many softwares that work according to WCAG guidelines. Some of them are Color Contrast Checker and NVDA. So let me show you how Color Contrast Checker works. So here I have the software downloaded, Color Contrast Analyzer. There are many software like this and you can download any of them. So click on the color picker tool here and here locate the text and get the color. And now as it is written here background color, click on the color picker tool and click on the background. Here you can see that the contrast ratio is 6.7:1, right? And here all the others are passed except this one. So if you click on this arrow, you can see that text has a contrast of ratio of at least 7:1 for regular sized text and at least 4.5:1 for large sized text, at least 18 pt or bold at least 14 pt and 18.5 pixel unless the text is purely decorative. So here it is saying that the text has at least a ratio of 7:1 for regular size text. But if the text is large scale of at least 18 pt or 24 pixels, or if the text is bold, it should be at least 14 pt or 18.5 pixels. Otherwise the text is purely decorative. Okay. So this was about color contrast analyzer. Now let's move to NVDA. So here's my NVDA software, and here click on OK.
OK. Desktop. Adobe
And now
Acrobat
let's
DC.
move to our
1 running.
PDF.
Adobe. 1. Move the saddle. Heading level 1 page 1 Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. Each evening Alibaba went out to gather twigs and branches for his wife so that she had enough firewood to cook the stew for dinner.
So here, as you can see, that the NVDA software is reciting each and every line of the document. And here, as you can see the text window, here all the text that the NVDA software is speaking will be displayed. This window is used by accessibility checkers who do QC of the documents.
No.
So now, let me exit my NVDA software.
OK.
And click on OK.
OK. Perhaps.
So, this was all about the accessibility and the NVDA and color contrast analyzer software. So, hope you liked my video, and if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video.